Hello my friends, in this YouTube channel I'm trying to teach you the simplest and most useful tricks in different softwares, and in this specific video I want to teach you a useful trick in Excel, that is freezing a row, a column or a pane in Excel. It means that in some cases, if you have a large file with too many rows and too many columns, when you want to scroll the file to the down rows or to the right side, you will miss what was the title of the table, because the title usually is in the first row or first column, and if you scroll down or scroll the file to the right side, you will miss the titles, and you need to make them visible in every single point of the file. Let me show you how we can do this. This file is now empty. Let me first fill it with some values to make it a big file. So for this, the simplest way is to use random function, and this function produces random values between 0 and 1 like this. And you may know that if you do anything in the file, suppose writing something in another cell, the values will be changed again. To make it constant, let me first copy these values and paste them as value only option to make them constant. Copy, paste, and then value only. Now they don't have any formula and they are constant values, random values between 0 and 1. Let me first add a title for the columns and then add a title for the rows. A1 is an example for titles of these columns. I will go to the right. The last column is A48, and for the rows we may have another variables like this, B1 to B276 as it's written here. So these are the title of this table, and when you want to scroll the file down, you will see that the titles are not visible anymore, or if you scroll it to the right side, the titles of the rows are not visible. And to understand what variables are related to this cell, you should go top to see yes, it's A36, and go to the left side to see it's yes, B63. But it's very difficult when you have a big data and you want to prevent mistakes and you want to do your job in the fastest way. So you need to freeze them, and freezing the rows or columns can be done by the option in view tab. There's a freeze pane option here. There are 3 options. I will explain the first one later. The second one freezes the top row of the file, and using this option, you will keep the top row visible while you're scrolling through the rest of the workbook. In this situation, you can see that the top row is fixed, is freezed, and when you scroll the file down, it's visible again in the whole worksheet. Another option works for the column, and it freezes the first column, and it would be visible when you scroll the file to the left and right. So it's good for the titles that are written in the first column. But if you have titles in both first row and first column, you need to do both cases. So you can't do both of them, and as you saw, when I did the third option, when I freeze the first column, freezing the top row was cancelled. So for freezing both, you need to do and you need to freeze a pane, and using the first option. Now its name is changed because I have a freezed column and its name is now unfreeze pane. So first I need to unfreeze the pane to make file free of any freezing. So there's no freezing now when I scroll. And now I should freeze a pane so that the first row and first column be freezed. To do this, you need to select the first cell inside the unfreezed area. It means that this row and this column will be freezed. Unfreezed area is this area inside the table, and the first cell is in the corner of the table here. That you will see the rows upper than this cell, and the columns to the left side of this cell are the titles. So in this specific example, in this case, you need to choose B2 cell and then go again to the same option, freeze pane, and choose the first option, freeze pane. In this way, first row and first column are both freezed. And it can be done for the cases you have more than one row or more than one column as titles. So let me show you. Let's first unfreeze the pane. When I insert a row as titles of the column, and suppose we need to mention the units of these variables. Suppose it's kilogram, it's millimeter, it is kilopascal, or any other unit that you may have, and copy it for all the columns like this. And you may have another column as title for the rows. Suppose there are some categories and I want to show each row belong to which category. Suppose we write category 1 like this, and these are different categories. Let me delete it. Okay, the last category is only one row. When I want to freeze the titles, I need to choose the first cell again, and first cell in this case is C3, because the upper rows and the columns in the left side of this cell are the titles, and it's the first cell inside the unfreezed pane when you want to freeze the titles. So C3 should be selected, and when I go to View tab and choose Freeze Pane, and again Freeze Panes, you will see that the lines are drawn in these specific lines, and when I scroll the file, all the titles are visible throughout the worksheet. It's very useful option, and you need to do this when you are working on a big file. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.